Oh, sorry. I have to make a part 3. Okay, now we have a special guest here. Yeah, special guest. Come here. It's this set. Mario. I'm posting this on YouTube. Don't do anything funny. You do this like you tap it and then it pops. Like that. I opened it. Making my way down with the things. There's an extra thing here. Extra Lego. And they got it put there. They don't even give me more idea. Daddy, do you know how to do Legos? Because you made me put me in this situation. There's no instructions. Oh. There's no instructions. No instructions. They didn't even give me instructions. What is this? It's hard. Let me change. No, I can't change. This is cool. And one is back here. Okay, let's open it now. What's in here? This is one. And what is it? 2. This is the eyes of Birdie. Ah!
Super Mario? Super Mario?
No.
Then why you bought that if you don't like it?
I like Super Mario Legos. I just can't find the Sonic Legos. It's super hard to find, I'm serious. How can I do it? Daddy! Okay, I feel like this is one. Can you help me?
Bagay ko ba maririnig yung boses ko?
Vlogger yan.
I just put it all in here. I just open it. I'll put all of them here. I'm just gonna fix it while I'll do a time lapse though for you to need more of
Lagi nga rin nalabang siya rin, mag-aamang aray.
Oh! FGTV!
Yeah, pag paluin kayo mga sakit.
No. Okay, stop now. Just turn this into bigger ones. Let's turn this into bigger ones. Let's turn this into an actually big one. I'm just joking. It's not
Itong kan bakla eh. Yung si Donita. Donita ro.
Mabago. I'll make a time lapse tomorrow. I'm gonna make a time lapse tomorrow. And you can see it on my YouTube tomorrow. So make sure your eyes are open. Ouch. Open it from there. Can you close it?
Ayan, pinakawalan mo ulit na siya.
I'll make a time lapse tomorrow. So I'll post this and then I'll just make a time lapse tomorrow. Okay, bye. I'm tired and sleepy.